Today is Wednesday, November 15th, so this is not a vlog. Today is an exciting day. I'm waiting for something to show up in the mail. It's something I've wanted for a very long time, which is part of why it's exciting. It's just like that waiting, which is also annoying because you don't know when it's going to be dropped off because it's not coming in the mail, it's coming through FedEx, and you have to wait until they come by. So I'm still waiting for my package to arrive. Just figured I'd go out, do some skateboarding, longboarding to be specific, while I wait. Once what I'm waiting for arrives in the mail, I'm gonna do an unboxing and kind of like a first impressions of it, and then eventually I'll probably do another little video of more of like a full review. But right off the bat, it's just gonna be showing it off and seeing how it works. So it's currently 6 o'clock at night and it finally showed up. So we're gonna do a quick little unboxing here. See what's inside. It's another box. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but there are two things of quality that have changed. One being the video. I've been filming this one in 4K. And the other thing being that I don't have to push anymore. Boosted board, version 2, the Dual Plus model. Can go up to 22 miles an hour. Now obviously not going that fast, it has a max range of 7 miles. So that's just a couple quick shots. Let me see what else I can get. A very exciting box. I've wanted one of these for a long time. So this is what's called a boosted board. For those of you who don't know, it's an electric skateboard. This is the motors and all the electronics, and then this one's the battery. They call it the Dual Plus, so it's got the bigger motors, it lasts longer, so it can go 22 miles an hour, and you can go like 4 miles at that speed. If you go slower, you know, there's different settings, you can go further. And then we've also got, I think it's just going to be this box here. It's got the controller. You have to pull the trigger, and then forward is to go forward, and down is to slow down. It's like the brakes. This has regenerative braking, so as you brake it recharges the batteries. Got some paperwork, some cool stickers, and this will be the charger. And there's a charger for the controller as well, and a wrist strap. So I'm just gonna turn the board on and the remote. So that's that. I'll show you a little bit better. That's the power button, and then you can see how many lights light up. So it's got a full charge, which makes sense because it just left their place 2 days ago. This as well has got the full charge. I'll show you some action here. That's loud. This is going to be a ton of fun. I just switched it over to the little like blue circle you can see there. That's like the beginner mode. So before it was on pro mode, which is why it was so loud. That the difference is how quickly it accelerates. So it's still loud, but it's not like quite as crazy. So I'm gonna go take it for a little spin, and then we'll have to wait until tomorrow to get some shots because it's already dark out. So just a quick follow-up, I just took the boosted board out for a ride. I didn't go super far, but just kind of around the block. I did 1.7 miles. Took the battery down to about 70%, so that seems pretty reasonable. Same time. So there's 4 different modes, and I started in beginner, and it was a little slow, and like it wasn't going up the hills very well, so I kicked it up to expert mode, and that was crazy. I mean, you go 20 miles an hour, and it was so fast. Especially like there's a lot of speed bumps where so you have to like slow down over those, or you know, the one time I did and I almost fell off it. It's a lot of fun, really cool. Take it easy.